Hey, I'm gonna show you guys how I teach my students aerial. This is gonna be the progression of how I teach. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on the actual technique of the aerial, of the cartwheel and stuff. But first, your students have to have a good cartwheel. After cartwheel, you're gonna go to a dive cartwheel. So Levi, go ahead and do,
Cartwheel?
go ahead and start with the cartwheel. Maybe, yeah, go ahead, just the cartwheel. Good, then they're gonna do a dive cartwheel. Okay, go ahead and show us a running dive cartwheel. Good. Okay, so once they have a good dive cartwheel, this is going to help you a lot. So this is your safety strap, so come here. So now you're going to do a running cartwheel. As they go down for the cartwheel, you're going to pull up a couple times. It's going to take a couple rounds before they feel comfortable putting their arms up, not putting them down. So we'll just do a running cartwheel, Levi. Okay. Just right here. Okay, ready, go. Run with him. Good. Oh, you were supposed to put your hands down. That's okay. We'll skip that. So running cartwheel, putting their hands down. Once they build up their confidence to go for the actual aerial, it's very easy to teach your students to do an aerial with this. So we'll show you again with the aerial. So I'm going to run with him. As he goes for it, I'm going to pull up on the belt. Ready, go. Good. That is a very easy way to get your students to build up the confidence. After they have that, go ahead and take that off. We're going to go to I call this a heavy spot. Now we're going to go to a light spot. So hold on, stay here. Okay, as they're doing the cartwheel, the aerial, I'm going to put my hands on his side and his leg. And that's how I spot him. So as he goes for it, right here, and you flip them over. So you have to get your timing down a little bit. So go ahead and do, so I start with a heavy spot like this, work my way to a lighter spot, lighter, eventually a touch spot. So go ahead and just do aerial, Levi. So right here, good. Boom, help him build up the confidence. Then we're gonna go to a lighter spot, lighter spot. Now I'm gonna show you guys a touch spot. So a touch spot, I'm not actually helping. I'm just putting my hands there. So it's a mental thing, so he still goes through the motion. So we're gonna show him a touch spot, Levi. Go. Okay, so I basically just put my hands there. He did all the work himself. This is gonna take a lot of reps to get it, but that's basically how I spot, or how I teach my students the aerial, the progression of teaching it. So thank you. Okay, thanks, baby.